Hey, this is Driving with Myles. Let's talk about snow mode. I've put my vehicle in snow mode. I still have my race pages on. As you can tell, this is straight ice, right? So I'm in snow mode and I'm gonna show you how power is pulled. And you can see it pulled power. You heard the computer pull that power. And when you hear that ding, the computer is pulling power or reducing the amount of torque. And I'm gonna do this again. So if you were sliding on the road, your computer would pull power and your computer would help you not slide. So I'm just deliberately showing you this a little bit. And look at the surface, it's like glass. So you want to be really careful. You don't want to be really aggressive. You want to take your time. I'll do some other innovative things, but this is not the area. So I'm just showing you that you have to be really careful and the computer will pull. I'm in snow mode and my voltage is at 14.0. My oil temperature is 175, which is in the normal range. My oil pressure is 37 pounds per square inch. So I'm just taking my time and just being careful, not really hitting that gas super hard because you can lose control of your vehicle. And we don't want to lose control of our vehicle. We always want to be aware of what's going on. And let's kind of wrap this up. When you want to have your hands at 10 and 2 or 9 and 3, I know there's different controversies about the airbag. We don't want to have our thumbs on the airbag. There's different theories about hand over hand and hand to hand, but you don't want to do an underhand and you don't want to palm the steering wheel because you can definitely lose control. So it is 33 degrees, the temperature is dropping. I'm a state certified instructor. If you like content like this, where you want me to do some demonstrations on the road surfaces, you want me to talk about race pages and apply this into a driver's ed technology, I can do that because I'm definitely a technical person. So we're gonna have some great content coming up in 2021. God bless you. Please give us a thumbs up. And if you really wanna push me, I'm trying to get over 2,000 subscribers. Please give it a thumbs up. God bless you. Thank you. Have a blessed evening.